Tuna, follow him. It's a top recording in this one. This is going to go on YouTube. Wobble on that lawnmower. He's cutting the grass on the road.